Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am doing review of exotic wedding lipsticks which I am been using for a long time now, and they are some are affordable and some are high end. So let's get started with the video. The first one I am showing you is from Chambor. The shade name is 407 and it's extreme wear transfer proof lipstick. It's a very good lipstick. The second one is from M.A.C. The shade name is Ruby Woo. It's a proper red lipstick. It's a very good shade. The third one is from Colorbar. Take Me As I Am, Tickle Me Pink, the shade name is. It's a light pink shade. The shade name is Jade Rose. The fourth one is from Lakme. The shade name is Rose Touch. This is also a very good lipstick. The fifth one is from Nykaa. This is their mini lipstick. Shade name is Trusty Rusty. And the last one is from Nykaa. The shade name is Kashi. This is also a very good lipstick. These lipsticks are very nice. You can try your hands on this, and if you want me to apply and show you, please tell me in the comment below. I'll make a next video of this. Okay guys, please share, subscribe, and please hit that notification button so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, bye guys.